When you purchase the Swing Gate Operator MA600, the kit will include one gate opening unit, 2 remote controls, and all the instructions and hardware required for installation. The MA600 half horsepower motor is able to operate gates 15 feet in length and up to 600 pounds. It has a micro switch limit for simple adjustments and a built-in adjustable auto close. The kit includes 2 433 MHz remotes, everything required for installation. The MA600 also includes a locking access panel for easy access.